गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन। तो आज का हमारा टॉपिक है कंपेयरिंग नंबर्स। हमारे पास ये दो क्वेश्चन गिवन है, इसमें से हम इन सभी नंबर्स को कंपेयर करेंगे। तो पहला क्वेश्चन जो है 92, तो आप देख सकते हैं कि ये एक 2 डिजिट नंबर है। द नेक्स्ट वन 392, इट इज़ अ 3 डिजिट नंबर। इट्स अ 4 डिजिट नंबर एंड दिस वन इज़ अ 5 डिजिट नंबर। This question is very easy because you know it is a 2 digit number, so it is smaller than this 392. 4456 is larger than 392 and this one is the largest. So if you write the smallest number, then it will be answer number 1. The smallest number will be 92 and the largest or the greatest one will be 8, 9, 7, 4 and 2. Now moving to question number 2. Look, this is a 4 digit number. Similarly 4 digit number 4, 4 and 4. So now this question will be tricky for you. So firstly we will see the leftmost number. Okay, we will see the leftmost number. Okay, it's having 1, 1, 9, 9 and 9. So the leftmost number from these number is 1 and 9, and you know that 1 is smallest than 9. So if we divide this number into two parts like this, these numbers are smaller because they have 1 in their leftmost number, as they all have 4 digit numbers. Okay, now we will compare from these two which is having the greatest number. Okay, look, all one have 9 in their leftmost side. Okay, so now we will move to the next digit. Okay, I mean the second digit. So it's having 2, 0 and 2. It's having 0, 0 which is smaller than 2. So we will discard this number and we will talk about these two numbers. Okay, now 9201 and 9210, the first two digits are same in both these numbers, so we have to move to the next, that is the third digit number, that is 0, and here it is 1. So from 0 and 1, tell me what is the greatest? 1. Okay, so this becomes smaller than this number. So we have found our largest number, that is, I will write for you the largest one. We will talk about the smallest one later. It is 9210. Now let's come to the smallest number. What will it be? You see that we have divided this into two parts because these we have to look for the greatest number from these, but these two numbers having 1 at its most left side, so this will become smallest than this. Now we have to select from these two which is having the smallest number. So the first two digits you see both are same. Now we will move to the third digit, this having 0 and this having 2. So 0 is smaller than 2, so we will conclude that this number is the smallest number out of the given number. So the smallest number become 190 and 2. So now the question is, use given digits without repetition. Underline this word, without repetition. Means you do not have to use the number more than once, and make the greatest and smallest 4 digit number. These two things you have to be clear in your mind. So now, these two questions are given, and from these four numbers, we have to make the greatest and the smallest 4-digit number. So let's move to the first one, 2874. If we make the smallest number, what you have to do? Think. The idea behind this is you have to take the first number smaller, then the other smaller number, then this and this. Means कि पहले आपको सबसे छोटा नंबर लेना है, उसके बाद आपको इससे बड़ा लेना है, लेकिन बाकी जो नंबर्स गिवन है उसमें से सबसे छोटा. कि अब आपका 2 यूज़ हो चुका है तो आपके पास ये 3 डिजिट में 3 नंबर्स बचे हुए हैं, तो इसमें से आपको सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर लेना है 4. अभी 4 यूज़ हो चुका है तो आपके पास ये 2 नंबर बचे हैं, तो आपको इनमें से सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर लेना है जो कि है 7. आफ्टर दिस ओनली 8 विल बी लेफ्ट, सो इट विल कम इन द लास्ट. सो नाउ वी विल राइट 2 इन सभी में से स्मॉलेस्ट है, तो सबसे पहले आ जाएगा 2, देन 4 इज़ द स्मॉलेस्ट वन, then 7 and then 8. It will be the smallest number out of the given number we have to make, and this will be the smallest number. Now we will move to the greatest number. Greatest number में just opposite है, जो आपने अभी smallest में देखा है उसका just opposite. इसमें से हमको सबसे largest number लेना है, ठीक है, जो कि है 8. अब 8 यूज़ हो चुका है, आप इसको डिस्कार्ड कर सकते हैं. उसके बाद आपके पास बचा है 2, 7 एंड 4. इन सभी में से जो लार्जेस्ट नंबर है हमारे पास वो है 7, तो हम लोग 7 लिखेंगे. अब इसको डिस्कार्ड कर देंगे, बचा है 4 और 2. इन दोनों में से आप बताइए सबसे लार्जेस्ट नंबर कौन है इन दोनों में से? लार्जर नंबर है 4 लिखेंगे, एंड द लास्ट वन रिमेनिंग दैट इज़ 2, सो वी विल राइट दिस. और आप इसको और इजी से कर सकते हैं कि अगर आप स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर को जस्ट रिवर्स कर देंगे तो आपको ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर मिल जाएगा. ये देखिए 8742, 8742. नाउ वी विल मूव टू अवर नेक्स्ट वन. सो फर्स्ट वी विल मेक द ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर हेयर. ओके, बी पार्ट. इसमें से आपको सबसे पहले क्या करना है, हमने फर्स्ट एग्जांपल में देखा, सबसे पहले आपको इसमें से बड़ा नंबर लेना है जो कि है 7. वी विल राइट 7. देन आफ्टर दैट वी विल डिस्कार्ड एंड वी विल टेक 5. आफ्टर दैट द लार्जर नंबर इज 4 एंड द लास्ट वन दैट इज रिमेनिंग इट इज 0. सो वी विल राइट दिस. सो इट इज इजी. नाउ it will be a little tricky for you to make the smallest number. What do you think? Like, I will rewrite this: 4, 7, 5, 0. You think that 0 is the smallest number, then it should come first, 0. Then after that 4 is the smallest out of this, then 4 come. After that 5 is the smallest, it will come, and the last remaining is 7, then it will. But you see, द फर्स्ट किसी भी नंबर में अगर पहला नंबर 0 हो जाता है तो हम लोग उसको तो मानते ही नहीं है. दिस 0457 इज इक्वल्स टू 457 विच इज़ अ 3 डिजिट नंबर. तो मैंने आपको पहले ही बता दिया था कि ये 4 डिजिट नंबर है, तो आपको इस पर ध्यान देना है. और कोई भी डिजिट हम लोग ने देखिए रिपीट नहीं कर रखी है. 8 एक बार ही है, 7, 4, 2. जितने टाइम्स क्वेश्चन में गिवन थे उतने ही डिजिट से हम लोगों ने नंबर बनाए हैं. So it will become the 3-digit number if you write 0 first. So what will we do? We will write the 0 at the second place. Okay, just this. So 4750. Out of this, which is the smallest number? 4. So we will write 4 here. Then now we will take 0. Okay, we will take 0 now. 0, and then 7, 5. Out of these 5 is the smallest, then we will write 5, and after that 7. So it will become the smallest number out of the given 4-digit number. and we use 4-digit number, not 3-digit number. If you write 0 first, then it will become a 3-digit number. So we will make this. Now there is a question written here. Now if we fix any digit on its place, like if you don't know, we will cover it later, we will talk about this later. You know that this is a 3-digit number, so this is the ones place, tens and 100. If you don't know, don't worry, we will cover these topics later. Ones, tens and 100. Digit 4 is always as tens place. So we will take this example. 2874. 2, 8, 7 and 4. So this 4-digit number, so I will make 4 box. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 places, okay? 4 numbers, 4 digits, okay? Ones, tens, 100 and this one is 1000. So digit 4 is always at tens place. So this digit 4, it will be always at the 10th place. So we will fix it. Now the remaining numbers are this 2, 8 and 7. 2, 8 and 7. Now we have to select from these numbers. Now tell me, which is the smallest number here? It is 2, so it will come first here, 2. After that, which one is the smallest number? 7. We will write here, and the remaining number is 8 after we discard 7, and the place we have left is of ones. We will write it here, and the answer is complete. So the smallest digit number, when the digit 4 is always at tens place, then the answer will become 2748. 2748. Thank you.